Hi, I'm Esther Gasu, and I'll be taking you through my final project. For my final project, I created a web application called foodfit. Foodfit is a web application that is made for any kind of user, typically anyone who wants to stay healthy and keep their meal plans in check. So, meal plan provides a space for users to plan their meals, to create fitness goals, to track their goals. It also provides users with websites that have healthy meal recipes, and also provides users with opportunity to search for meal ideas based on main ingredients they have at home. So I'm going to try and register. Okay. Um, so I'm being prompted. Okay. Okay, so passwords don't match. Okay, so I'm registering and it takes me to the home page. Okay, if I try to log in with a user that does not exist, it should be prompted. So user not found, please register again. So I'm just going to go with this. I've already done. So this is my dashboard. Here we have statistics. You have the total number of meals planned by the user, the total number of goals set, the percentage of goals completed, in progress, and cancelled. Now down here we have widgets that show users websites that have healthy meal recipes. So if I click on this, it redirects me to the minimalist baker website, which has healthy meal recipes for the users to try out. Okay, next page I'll be taking you to is the plan a meal page. So the plan a meal page basically just helps users to plan their meal. So when I click on this button, I enter my meal name, I enter the time, and then enter the date, and then I get a message that my meal has successfully been added, and then I see my meal in my table. I can add another meal, say kenke, the time for the meal, the date, and then I save it. Oh, time, and then I save it. Okay, now I'm going to try and edit the meal. So initially the meal was jollof, as can be seen here. I'm going to change this to oatmeal. Okay, oatmeal. The time of the day, make it morning versus breakfast. So let's just go with this time. And then the day. The meal has been updated. We see the change oatmeal, the time, and then the date. Can also delete. The user can also delete a meal they don't want to have anymore. So the meal has successfully been deleted. Now when you move to the dashboard, you see the total number of meals planned is currently 1. I'm going to try and add more meals. Just type in any random thing. Just add 1 or 2. Okay, and then add another meal. Okay, let's make it fufu. Okay. Now when I move to my dashboard, I see that the total number of meals planned by this user, Esther Mawuena, is currently 3. Next, I'll be taking you to the goals page. So here, the user can just plan a goal and then keep track of the progress they've made. So they click on the widget. They ask what is your custom goal. So I chose weight loss initially, so I say lose 6 pounds. Then it asks for the duration in weeks. I say 7 weeks. I set my goal, get a success message, and I see it updated here. This status represents in progress goals. So I can, once the user is done with their goal, they can update the status of the goal here. Let's say yes for 7 weeks. So let's say completed. Okay, and you see the change here from in progress to completed. And when you check your dashboard, you realize that the completed goals is 100% and the total goal set is 1. Just going to create another goal, improve the energy level, so maybe take vitamins, say 5 weeks, set the goal, realize that the goal type will be the type, the widget I clicked, the custom goal, the period, the status. All goals that are created are set to in progress. But then once the user decides, okay, I don't want to do this goal anymore, just change it here. 6 weeks. Take vitamins. You can just make it cancelled. So here you can see that the computer goes 50%, cancel goes 50%, total goal set 2%, sorry, 2. For the progress table, the user basically types the progress they've made with the associated goal. So weight loss. So let's say I lost 6 kilos today. Okay, now we see in the table that the progress has been added. I lost 6 kilos today, and the entry date. Maybe the user wants to edit it. I lost 6.5 kilos today. So let's just make it 6.5. Realize that has been updated here that I lost 6.5. The user can also delete entries. Same way they can also delete goals that have been set. Okay. Then this last page basically helps the user to search for meal ideas based on the main ingredient. So say their main ingredient is egg, they type egg and they get a list of foods that have eggs in it as the main dish. So I see this one, it's caught my attention, and then I click on it and it gives me the recipe for the meal. And when you click here, it redirects you to a tutorial video for you to watch. Just going to click on it briefly. It takes you to YouTube, as you can see.
Once
So I'm going back.
everything's perfectly organized, I'll start working on my thesis.
Okay. Yeah, that's basically it. If you search for an ingredient they don't have, say tofu. Okay, they have tofu. Let's say fufu. Yeah. You get a message that we currently don't have any meals with that ingredients. Come back later. Yeah. This can also be accessed when the user is trying to set a meal. So maybe their main meal in the house is, let's say the main ingredient in the house is syrup. They don't know what to do with the syrup. They just click on that link. It takes them here. Maybe they type syrup. I don't know if this will show you anything. Okay, we don't have any meals with this ingredient, but then that's how it works. And then the user can log out after they are done. Once they log out, they are redirected to the login page. Now, if anybody tries to access any of the pages from here without being signed in, they will be redirected to the login page to sign up. Thank you.